What is the future of learning, and how have we come to where we are today? If you look at present-day schooling, it's quite easy to trace its origins. It was the byproduct of one of the largest and last empires on this planet. Go back 300 years and try to imagine a planet without computers, without telephones, without the internet. It's the start of the Industrial Revolution, and we needed lots and lots of identical people. They needed to know three things: how to read, write, and do arithmetic. The machines used to produce these people was our present-day schools. It was a machine engineered by the Victorians that was so robust it still runs today, only it's producing identical people for a system that no longer exists. The empire has long since disappeared, but how about the education system it left behind? It's the system still used by today's children. Children who are absorbed with their mobile phones, but who are reluctantly going to school and picking up their books. Now that we are seconds away from a Google search, what role does remembering actually play? Could it be that we are heading towards a future where remembering stuff is obsolete? Some might think this is terrible. Or is it? Before the internet, there was great value put in knowing and remembering. Yet, this is actually the lowest level of learning. As Benjamin Bloom so eloquently framed it, remembering stuff falls at the bottom of the learning list. Today, it is more critical to know how to find answers than it is to remember them. So, what does this all mean? It means we are free to focus our educational process on high-order skills, such as evaluation and creation. It means we can take time that was once allotted for memorization and translate it into potential that has, till now, gone untapped. Few debate this point, yet today's education is often challenged to evolve and adapt. It goes against the fundamentals of the Victorian system. We are now learning the value of educational systems that self-organize. Instead of teaching, we have learned that in allowing the educational process to self-organize, learning emerges. This process is called S.O.L.E, which stands for Self-Organized Learning Environment. S.O.L.E is not about teaching, but rather letting learning happen. In a S.O.L.E, the role of the teacher is to set a process in motion and stand back in awe as learning occurs naturally. And best of all, it's easy to do. The outcome is children have developed acute critical thinking skills, problem-solving capabilities, and the ability to communicate, all critical to success in school and in the world they are going to face afterwards. S.O.L.E does not require an overhaul of our current school structure. It is applicable to any educational environment where there is a group of learners, access to the internet, and caring facilitators. To learn how to create your own S.O.L.E, watch the S.O.L.E how-to video and let learning happen.